Hello, welcome to the Cheetah Academy. My name is Grant. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at style. The style tag is kind of important because it's part of CSS. The style tag is used to define information for a document. Inside the style element, you specify how HTML elements should appear in a browser. We can use style to define the background color of our text or give our text a different color. You can do a whole lot with the style tag. You can even introduce a font size to your text. Let's look at some of the examples. Now, I'm going to give a background color to our H1 tag. This is an example of a style tag. Now our H1, let's give our H1 a background color. Now using style tag, you can say style equal to background color hyphen color. Let's give it a background color of light blue. Now if we save this and we view our browser, you will find that the H1 tag has a background color of light blue. You can also introduce a color to this text, this black boring text color. You can probably, let's give it a color, let's give it a color red. Let's make the text color red. So here in your background color, you can say color let's give it a red color. So if we refresh our browser, you find that the text color is now red. You can do this for sorry. You can also do this for the paragraph tag. You can also do this for the paragraph tag. Let's say paragraph, and I'm just going to copy this. So let's give our paragraph a background color of, let's say gray. So first you style it equal to background color gray. Let's save this and let's view this on our browser. Here you can see that here in our browser we have the paragraph with the background color of gray. We can equally change the color of the text in the paragraph. Let's change the text in the paragraph. Color, let's say pink, right? Let's say blue. Blue is my favorite color. Blue. If you refresh this, you find that our text is now blue for our paragraph. So you can do a whole lot with the style. You can even introduce a font size. If, say for example, you think that you feel that the H1 tag is not bold enough. Probably you feel the header 1 tag is not bold enough. The text on the header 1 is not bold enough. You want to still kind of increase its font size. So what we're going to do is that you just go down to header 1, go to header 1, and you introduce your font size. Introduce your font size. And let's give our font size 20 pixels. Let's say 30. Let's say 30 pixels, our font size. Give me a support of 30 pixels. Let's save this and view it on our browser. So let's give it a font size of let's say 50 pixels. 50 pixels. Let's save this and view it on our browser. So you can see that the font size, actually the text on our header 1 increased. So you can do a whole lot with the style tag. You can introduce your background color. You know, the background color now for our browser now is white. So we can actually give our browser, the background color of our browser, a different color. Let's give our background, our browser, a background color of let's say yellow. Let's say yellow. So dealing with the background, the background of the browser, we actually go to the body tag here because this is the body of our document. Then we'll style it. Style equal to background color, yellow, right? Let's give it a background color of yellow. So let's save this and view this on our browser. Here on our browser, you find that the background color is yellow. You can see that the background color now is yellow. So you can do a whole lot with the style tag. And I think this is the much I have for you today. I'm going to see you in my next class. You have a good day.